Hello everyone. Today we are going to start origami in our channel. Now what is origami? Origami is a Japanese word. It means folding of paper. We can create many beautiful objects by folding paper only. It will be a day-wise series. First we will start with simple origami craft and slowly we will move to intermediate and professional craft. We will start with these beautiful and simple boards. We used to play in our childhood with these boards in rain and in any tub. But nowadays, today's generation don't know how to play with these crafts. So let's make it for today's generation. See, it's a very beautiful and we can show our creativity on these boards also. First, take a rectangular sheet. It's an A4 rectangular sheet. I have taken magenta color. You can take any color of your choice. Hold it from the center and fold it like this. Corners should be matched point to point and press it like this. Make a crease, open it and fold it like this. And press it like this. Then put your finger in the center and hold this and turn it. Should touch the bottom crease, center crease. From here also hold it like this and turn. It should be equal from both the sides. Like this. Now hold this paper and turn it upwards and press it. Turn it and repeat the same procedure with this flap also. Should be equal like this. It will look like this. Now open it from the center and press it like this in a diamond shape. It will look like in a diamond shape. This one inside, out, inside, out, like this. It will look like a diamond. Now hold this side and press it upwards. See, it's a straight line. Turn it and repeat the same procedure and press it. Hold it from the center and open it like this. Press it from all the sides. Hold it from both sides and open it like this. Give a shape. Press it and turn it. Open. Put your finger inside and give a strong base like this. It should stand. It should be like this. See, from this side, you should open it properly. Then it will have strong base and it will stand properly. You can play with these boards and you can use it in your craft projects. Let me show you how you can use it. Like this, you can use your board in your craft projects. You can show your creativity on the boards like I have made some designs on the board. You can make according to your own choice. Make your boards and send me your work. In next video, we will learn how to make origami fish. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.